We start this evening with a flu outbreak in the United States, which is reaching near record epidemic levels across the country, according to the CDC. The virus has been spreading rapidly throughout the United States, with widespread flu activity reported in almost every state, 46 to be exact. Vaccines have been ineffective against the new H3N2 virus. RT's Trinity Chavez reports tonight.
Flu season is underway and it's in full force. Health officials are warning that this is becoming one of the worst seasons on record. The virus has already been declared widespread in 46 states, New York being one of them.
It's not surprising, I think, in circumstances where there's such a concentration of people, but the intensity of the flu is quite surprising.
The sneezing, the constant coughing, the runny nose are just some of the symptoms of this deadly virus. The CDC estimates that influenza causes 9 to 35 million illnesses and 12 to 56,000 deaths each year. But those numbers could rise as experts warn that we could be on the brink of a flu epidemic.
People should really respect influenza. It is a disease that we know in the United States causes millions of illnesses every single year. It causes hundreds of thousands of hospitalizations, and it causes thousands of deaths every year.
And doctors are seeing that dramatic increase in flu cases. Just in the last week, the CDC reported the number of flu hospitalizations has doubled. And in the last week of December, New York State saw a 66% jump in cases, bringing the number to almost 3,000, making the nationwide total 48,000 cases.
Last year, our numbers were pretty average. I mean, they were low to average. This year, we did start to notice a spike at some campuses, not at all of them, but at some right before we broke for the winter break.
Some doctors believe the dramatic increase in flu cases is largely attributed to a new strain of the virus called H3N2, which is known to be especially dangerous, making its victims much more sicker more quickly than other types of the flu. Health officials are encouraging people to just ride out the symptoms, that the majority of people infected by the virus will get better, but say the best way to avoid getting the flu in the first place is to get the flu shot and to wash your hands. Reporting in New York, Trinity Chavez, RT.